My dear students, welcome to my class. How are you all? Hope you all are well. I am also well. Here is Mahim Sultana, Assistant Teacher English, Naga Government Girls High School, conducting your English second paper class of class 9 and 10. Today I am going to discuss with you a topic on grammar, that is transformation of sentences. It is also called changing sentences. So our today's topic is transformation of sentences, and I want to tell you another thing, that transformation of sentences is a elaborate subject, and it is not possible to complete this subject matter, the discussion of this subject matter in a class. It may take 2 or more sessions to complete the discussion on this subject matter, transformation of sentences. Okay, let's start our today's discussion on transformation of sentences or changing sentences. You know, there are several kinds of rules to transform sentences from one form to another, and today I am going to tell you about the rule affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. I hope you know what is affirmative sentence. The sentence in which a statement or positive statement is told, that is affirmative sentence. And what is negative sentence? A sentence in which any negative statement is given, that is negative sentence. So we have to transform affirmative statement into negative statement, and there are several rules of affirmative to negative. The first rule is alone or only added affirmative sentence. If you get only or alone added affirmative sentence, then how will you change it into negative? You have to change only or alone, and in that place you have to use none but. Okay, you have to use none but in the place of only or alone. And remember that this rule is applicable, that is only or alone is when with any person or God, then you can apply this rule. For example, only Allah can help us. Negative will be none but Allah can help us. Another example, only He can do that. Negative, none but He can do the work. Now the next rule is when any affirmative sentence is to change into negative, and the affirmative sentence is only or alone added, but the only and alone indicates anything or matter, not any person. That means when in a affirmative sentence only and alone is used, which indicates any subject or matter, then to change it into negative, in the place of only and alone, nothing but will be used. Nothing but will be used. For example, a child likes only sweets. Negative, a child likes nothing but sweets. Now the next rule, to change only added affirmative sentence into negative, which indicates number, then not less than or not more than will be used in the place of only. That means if you get any affirmative sentence that is only added and the only indicates any number, not any person or any metal or thing or subject, then in the place of only there will be use not less than or not more than. We can take an example, then it will be more clear to you. He is only 10. Negative, he is not more than 10. Now the next rule, that is must added affirmative sentence. To change must added affirmative into negative, cannot but or cannot help will be used in the place of must. That means if you get this word must in the affirmative sentence, then you have to use cannot help or cannot but to make it negative, such as we must yield to our fate. We cannot but yield to our fate. Another example, we must obey our parents. You must obey your parents. You cannot help obeying your parents. In the case of you cannot help, ing will be added with the main verb. So here obey is taking ing and the sentence is you cannot help obeying your parents. Another rule, to change both and or and added affirmative into negative, not only but also will be used in the place of both and or and, such as both Rajiv and Adib were good friends. Negative, not only Rajiv but also Adib were good friends. Another example, he cooked tea and coffee. Negative, he cooked not only tea but also coffee. Another rule, to change every added affirmative into negative, there is no plus subject plus but plus rest of the sentence will be used in the place of every. That means if you get every added affirmative sentence, then you have to follow the given structure. That is, there is no plus subject plus but plus rest of the sentence in the place of every. Let's take some example, then it will be more clear to us. Everyone hates a liar. There is no one but hates a liar. Another example, every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Now another rule, to change as soon as added affirmative into negative. No sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus rest of the sentence plus then plus the second sentence will be used in the place of as soon as. That means if you get as soon as added sentence, then you have to follow the given structure to make it negative. Let's take example. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Negative. No sooner had he saw the police than he ran away. Now the next rule, to change affirmative sentence into negative, the affirmative word will be changed into negative and not will be used before the negative word. That means if you have to change any affirmative sentence into negative, then you have to make the affirmative word into negative, and you have to take a no or not before the negative word. Then the sentence will be changed into negative, but the meaning will be the same. And this is our rule to make affirmative sentence into negative, that you have to make it negative without changing the meaning. So if you want to take the meaning same, you have to use a no or not before the negative word. That means you have to change the affirmative word into negative. In another word, I can say that you have to use the opposite word of the affirmative sentence, and a no will be used before the negative word or opposite word. Then the meaning will be the same, but the sentence will be changed into negative. Let's take some example, then it will be more clear to us. He was an honest boy. Negative. He was not a dishonest boy. This was an extraordinary ship. Negative. This was not an ordinary ship. Now another rule, to change always added affirmative sentence into negative, the affirmative word will be changed into negative and never will be used in the place of always. We can take some example. I always agreed with him. Negative. I never disagreed with him. Rohim was always punctual. Rohim was never late. And this was our today's last rule, and this was our today's whole discussion on transformation of sentences part 1. Hope you understood, and I think this discussion will make you understand transformation more clearly and to do transformation more easily. Hope you enjoyed my discussion and the class. No more today. Everyone stay good, stay fine, and stay safe. always stay at home, maintain the rules of health, and be attentive in your studies, be regular in our classes. Our next class will be on next Saturday. Visit our web page, Naga Government Girls High School web page regularly, and you will get there all classes and all instructions. Okay, everyone, no more today. And my next class will be on transformation part 2. Goodbye everyone.